How to make an antiseptic at home. WHO gave a prescription. To prevent the insidious disease that spreads across the planet, healthcare professionals advise paying special attention to personal hygiene. In particular, wash your hands often. If this is not possible, then an antiseptic can come to the rescue. If you do not have the opportunity to purchase it at a pharmacy or store, then you can cook it yourself. Having made this gel, you will provide yourself and your family with the drug for a long time, because you can immediately receive a liter of this valuable product. For this you will need ethyl alcohol 833 ml, hydrogen peroxide 42 ml, glycerin 15 ml. Mix the ingredients, added a little distilled or at least just boiled water. Determine the amount of water based on the desired consistency. Now it remains to pour valuable liquid into small containers, carry with you and do not forget to use. WHO recommends treating your hands with an antiseptic for at least 30 seconds, paying special attention to the area under the nails. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.